Hey guys, welcome back. Today, let's talk about the differences between the FunClean mop bucket and the G2 Easy Use bucket. Mobility first. The FunClean mop bucket comes with 2 fixed wheels, great for stability and straight line movement. It takes extra effort to change direction when turning. The upgraded G2 Easy Use bucket features 360 swivel casters, letting you move freely in any direction. It glides smoothly around obstacles and corners, giving you far more flexibility during cleaning. Next, cleaning performance. The FunClean mop bucket is compact and space-saving, perfect for small homes. However, since clean and dirty water mix in one chamber, it can lead to secondary contamination. The G2 Easy Use bucket solves that with a dual-chamber design, one for washing, one for spin drying, so your mop always touches the floor clean and fresh every time. Finally, drainage efficiency. The FunClean mop bucket uses a simple, single-channel, drain-reliable, and low-maintenance, but slower to empty. Meanwhile, the G2 Easy Use bucket comes with a dual drain system, doubling the drainage speed so you can empty dirty water in seconds and wrap up your cleaning faster. In short, the FunClean mop bucket offers great value, an easy operation ideal for basic cleaning needs, small apartments, or elderly households. The G2 Easy Use bucket, on the other hand, brings upgraded flexibility, efficiency, and cleanliness, perfect for families who want a smarter, higher quality cleaning experience.